Hey guys, so we're starting off with a paint by MAC. It's a paint stick. I'm using the ×12 palette and I'm using the color Primary Yellow right here. We're just really packing it on in the inner and outer rim. And then we're going to go in with a yellow powder. I'm using the Morphe 35B Rainbow Palette. I'm just packing it in along with this orange right here. And notice that we're still leaving a little bit of the yellow on the edge. We're just going to blend those together. We're just going to blend those together right here. And then we're going to go in with a really vivid neon pink and just really marry those two shades together. Leaving the middle free and open. We're not touching any of that. Just really blending right here. And then we're going to go in with the deeper purple and the brighter neon purple in the same palette, and I'm just blending with a brush that has no color on it. We're just also packing that in the inner corner. I'm leaving out a little bit of the pink and a little bit of orange on each side, just so you can see that peekaboo come through. I'm just packing it in and just really play with it. Sometimes the colors, I start off with minimal color and just build it. Right here we're just doing a really deep blue with a little bit of the deep purple. And then we're going in with the Motives Element Color Box palette, and I'm using just the vivid black just on the outer corner of my eye. This is called Raven. And then right here I'm doing the NYX Jumbo White Pencil, and I just put it on with a brush and I'm just blending it in with my finger just to warm it up a bit. And then I'm using Vanilla Pigment by MAC, and I'm just placing it right there in the middle and then just kind of taking the excess and blending it off. And now we're going underneath the eyes, same color, same technique. We're leaving the middle out. Yellow first, then we're going in with the neon orange second. Right here. And I'm just using a small blending brush, and it's okay if it's not perfect at first. It'll come together. I'm just packing a little bit more orange. Now we're going with the neon pink again. And just letting you see. And blending that together. Here we go with our deep purple. We're adding just a little more. I'm trying to blend that corner out because it's just got a spot. And then I'm going to go in with the deep blue. Blending here. Just blending, and then again with the NYX Vanilla Jumbo Pencil, and I'm using a brush to apply it, and then I'm using that also in the inner rim of my eye, just to kind of give it that brightness. And this is the pigment, the Vanilla Pigment blended in as well. I'm blending those together, kind of giving it a halo effect. And then we're going in with our eyeliner. I'm just going to want to place that on. I'm using Blacktrack Fluidline by MAC. It's a gel liner. It's one of my favorites. I'm just popping a little bit of a wing on there. And now I'm using Extended Giga Black Lash Mascara, and I'm just placing on my mascara on top and bottom rim, so it gives us that really cool effect. And then we did lashes. I used Flutterlashes and Royal for this look, and that is how you get this look. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.